What if I told you that you've been starting seeds the slow way your entire life? Most gardeners wait 10, even 20 days just to see a single sprout. But there's a method using two things already sitting in your kitchen that can cut that time down to just 24 to 48 hours. No soil, no special equipment, and it works on almost every vegetable you can think of. Stay with me, because this changes everything about how you start your garden. Today, I'm going to walk you through this step-by-step using cucumber seeds as our example. But before we touch a single seed, we're also going to do something most gardeners completely skip. We're going to clean them. Seeds can carry harmful bacteria and fungi right on their surface, and that's one of the main reasons seeds rot before they ever get the chance to sprout. We're going to fix that today with two simple natural ingredients, garlic and chamomile tea. Step 1. Garlic soak. Start by pouring about 300 milliliters of lukewarm water into a container. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and stir until it's fully dissolved. If you only have fresh garlic, that works too. Just crush a couple of cloves and let them steep. If you go that route, strain the liquid through a piece of cheesecloth before using it so you're left with just the solution. Now add your seeds and let them soak for a few hours. Here's why garlic works so well for this. It contains a compound called allicin, which is a natural antimicrobial. It actively slows down or kills off the bacteria and fungi that cause seeds to fail before they even sprout. Think of this step as giving your seeds a protective head start. Once the soaking time is up, rinse the seeds thoroughly with fresh, lukewarm water. And if you don't have garlic on hand, don't worry. Wood ash, baking soda, or even a diluted honey solution all work as solid alternatives. Step 2. Chamomile and bagging. Next, spread your seeds out on a paper towel and lightly mist them with chamomile tea. You can brew this from a basic chamomile tea bag. Nothing fancy. Chamomile is a well-known natural antifungal, and when used at this stage, it creates a protective layer on the surface of the seed that helps prevent rotting during the germination window. It also appears to support early root development, which can speed the whole process up even further. Now place the damp paper towel with your seeds into a Ziploc bag and seal it. I know it feels counterintuitive to seal seeds in a bag, but there is more than enough oxygen inside for germination to happen. If you check the bag after a day or two and the towel looks dry, just open it up and give it another light spray of chamomile tea. Put the sealed bag somewhere consistently warm. Near a water heater on top of the fridge, or anywhere with gentle ambient heat works perfectly. Now here's where it gets exciting. After just 48 hours, these cucumber seeds are already sprouting and ready to go straight into the ground. But the results get even more impressive with slower germinating crops. Carrots, for example, normally take up to 20 days to germinate in soil. Using this method, I had visible sprouts in just a few days. Peas respond incredibly well too. Once you try this on a slow crop, you'll never go back to the old way. So to recap, a garlic soak to clean and protect, a chamomile mist for antifungal support, sealed in a bag, kept warm. And you can go from seed to sprout in under 2 days. This costs almost nothing, uses things you already own, and gives your plants a genuinely healthier start. If this was helpful, drop a comment below and let me know where you're watching from and which crops you're going to try this on first. Share this with a fellow gardener who's still waiting 2 weeks for their seeds to show up. And I'll see you in the next one on Pour This on Your Peppers and watch them explode with growth.